In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how a high pressure alarm from a boiler system could be handled in WinGuard. From our virtual panel, I've initiated the alarm. As you can see, immediately this is a high priority alarm. It's come up on the alarm stack within WinGuard. The operator is immediately presented with a predefined schematic showing the area the alarm has taken place, an actual schematic of the boiler itself, and the pressure values indicated. There's also a secondary schematic, which is an engineering diagram that shows the actual valve and place that the pressure has exceeded. In this case, the operator would accept the alarm. Additionally, here we have a flowchart schematic showing the steps the operator should take in the operating procedure, and additionally, we also have the workflow. They're going to view the camera images to see if this is a real alarm. So this is pulling through footage from third-party CCTV systems. Are people in danger? Yes or no, if that can be determined. We want to shut down the boiler, all from automated actions within WinGuard. Is the pressure normal? In this case, no. So then we're going to open the emergency release valve, and immediately you can see that the pressure now falls to an acceptable level. We're going to inform the maintenance team, again by an integration that could be by SMS or email. All steps were taken. As you can see, the flow chart has also taken place and populated as the operator has worked through the event. We will now complete this event, and all steps were taken.